Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. So we want to find first derivative of this one. So we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of arctan of capital A, we have first derivative of capital A on numerator and later that 1 plus capital A to the power of 2. Now we can apply the formula in here. They should be like this. First derivative of 6x, we have number 6. So when we write the answer, number 6 and number 7, that is about 42. This one we have 36x squared. Now we want to find this one. So I will put number 2 cone here. And we have 42 over 145. This is the end. Thank you for watching.